Hi friends, welcome to free CCNA Packet Tracer Labs for Beginners. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure IPv6 inter-VLAN routing using multi-layer switch. Before coming to this lab, if you wish to get this type of CCNA videos, consider subscribing. And also, if you wish to get any technical support, you can contact our team. Details are given in the description below. Coming back to our activity, we will design our topology. We will choose a multi-layer switch 3560 series. We will rename as core MLS. Then 32960 series switches. Consider S1, S2 and S3. Then PCs. So here we will have two data VLANs. Consider this is faculty 1 and this is student 1. This is faculty 2 and here is a faculty 3. Student 2 and student 3. We'll create VLAN 10. VLAN 20. Students. We will connect these devices. Choose copper crossover. From core MLS FA0/1 to this S1, we will connect to gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Fast Ethernet 0/2 to this S2, FA0/3 to G0/1. Now we will choose copper straight through to connect these end devices. FA0/1 to this faculty 1, FA0/2 to this student 1. The same way we will connect other PCs. Now we will design our VLAN table. So we have two data VLAN. Consider 10 and 20. 10 is for faculty. Then 20 is for student. Then we will assign these ports FA0/1 on all the switches to VLAN ID 10. So we can give S1, S2, S3. Port number is FA0/1. We will assign to VLAN ID 10. Then VLAN 20 student. Port is FA0/2. Also, we will create VLAN 90 for native. S1, S2, S3, G0/1. which is connecting to our multi-layer switch. Also, we will create VLAN 100. This is for the unused ports. In all the three switches, FA0/3 till 24, also G0/2. Then we will create the network address table. VLAN ID 10, we will use 2001 colon DB8 colon ACAD colon 10 /64. VLAN ID 20, we will use 2001 colon DB8 colon ACAD colon 20 /64. Now coming to our addressing table, we will design our addressing table. So we have device, core MLS, interface VLAN 10. We will create this SVI and we will give the IPv6 address 2001 colon DB8 colon ACAD colon 10 1/64. Here default gateway is not applicable. And this is the gateway for VLAN 10, that is faculty. Now we have interface VLAN 20. We will give IPv6 address 2001 colon DB8 colon ACAD colon 20 1/64. Default gateway is not applicable. And this is a gateway for VLAN 20, that is student. Also, we have a VLAN 90, which is native VLAN, and in order to set any IPv6 address for this SVI, it is a native VLAN. Then for our desktops, faculty 1, interface is NIC. Then here we will use this address 10 2. Default gateway, we will configure the link local IPv6 address FE80:1 as the default gateway. And this faculty is connected to S1 FA0/1. Actually, here we need to configure this FE80:1 as a link local address in this VLAN 10. Also, we will configure FE80:2 in VLAN 20. Right. So now coming to student 1, interface NIC. Then IPv6 address, we will use 20 2. Then default gateway FE80:2. And this is connected to S1 FA0/2. In the same way, faculty 2, interface NIC. Okay, here just we can copy these 2 lines, and here we will give the next address, that is 10 3. Then for the student 2 NIC, here we will use 20:3. This faculty 2 is connected to S2 FA0/1. Already we connected that. Then student 2 is connected to S2 FA0/2. I will copy these lines. Faculty 3, we will use a 10:4. Okay, and this is connected to S3 FA0/1. Then coming to student 3, we will use a 20:4 as its IPv6 address. Then it is connected to S3 FA0/2. Now we will configure our devices. First of all, we will configure our core_MLS multi-layer switch. Okay, no. Enable configure terminal. First of all, we will enable SDM prefer dual IPv4 and IPv6 default, because we need to configure IPv6. It's a IPv6 here, IPv6 default. Perfect. Now we need to exit and save the configuration. Copy, run, space, start. Okay, destination file name, and now we will reload it. So here we can see that message: changes to the running SDM preferences have been stored but cannot take effect until the next reload. So we are going to reload this multi-layer switch. Confirm. Okay. So by default, switches support only IPv4. Now we enabled IPv6 also, and even we can verify that using show SDM prefer, and here we can see now it support IPv6 also. Perfect. Configure terminal. We will set the host name core_MLS. Okay, also we will enable IPv6 unicast routing. We will create those VLANs we needed. VLAN 10, we given the name as faculty. Then VLAN 20, name is a student. VLAN 90, this is for native. VLAN 100, name is unused. We need to create these VLANs on all the switches. So we will go to S1. Enable conft. We will set the host name S1. Also, we can do all the basic settings, but here we are focusing only on the IPv6 inter-VLAN routing. We will create VLAN 10. Name is faculty. VLAN 20. Name is a student. VLAN 90. Name is native, VLAN 100, name unused. Next we will go to S2, host name S2, VLAN 10, name is faculty, VLAN 20, name is student, VLAN 90, name native, VLAN 100, unused, name unused. Then we'll go to S3, enable configure terminal, host name S3, VLAN 10, name faculty, VLAN 20, name student, VLAN 90, name native, VLAN 100, unused. We can verify these VLANs we created. Show VLAN brief, and here we can see those VLANs we created. Now we will configure the trunk between these switches, between this core MLS and S1, S2 and S3. First of all, we will go to MLS, and we can see they are connected to FS0/1, FS0/2 and FS0/3. We can go to all these three interfaces at a time using the range command. We will go to global configuration mode, configure terminal. We'll go to interface as a range, FS0/1-3. That means interface FS0/1, FS0/2 and FS0/3. So here we will give a switch port trunk encapsulation .1Q, switch port mode trunk. Also we can set the native VLAN, switch port trunk native VLAN 90. Also we can provide the allowed VLAN to provide the security, switch port trunk allowed VLAN. We have a 10, 20, 90. Okay, here we get some warning, some mismatch discovered, because here we configured the native VLAN. Then we need to configure the other side also. Here this native VLAN default VLAN 1. Okay, we will do that after this. So now the switch port trunk allowed VLAN 10, 20, 90. Perfect. Press enter. Just we will end it. So whenever you get this message, just to press tab button from your keyboard. End. So here we can copy, run space start. Okay. We can verify also, show interfaces trunk, and we can see these ports are trunking with the native VLAN 90. Also we can see the allowed VLANs only 10, 20 and 90. Now we will go to switches. First of all, we will go to S1. Here also we get that native VLAN mismatch message. So we have to correct it. We will go to the interface G0/1, which is connected to our multi-layer switch, and manually we will configure the trunk, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 90, and here we can see we get the message port consistency restored. Perfect. Also we will set a switch port trunk allowed VLAN 10, 20, 90. We can verify it. We can verify from here itself. Do show interfaces trunk. Perfect. Now we will go to S2. Interface G0/1. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk native VLAN 90. Okay. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN 10, 20, 90. Then coming to S3. Configure terminal. We will go to interface G0/1, which is connected to our multi-layer switch. So here now auto trunk with the help of dynamic trunking protocol. We will configure manually switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk native VLAN 90. Perfect. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN 10, 20, 90. Next, we will configure the SVIs for VLAN 10, VLAN 20. Inter-VLAN routing. Configure terminal. We will go to interface VLAN 10. Okay. Then we will set IPv6 address. So as per our addressing table, it's a 2001 colon GB8 colon ACAD colon 10 1/64. Also, we will set IPv6 address FE80 1 as a link local. Then we will go to interface VLAN 20. We will set the IPv6 address 2001 colon GB8 colon ACAD colon 20 1/64. Also, we will set IPv6 address FE80 1. Sorry, we will set 2 as a link local address. Perfect. Copy run space start. We can verify interface configurations, show IPv6 interface brief. And here we can see VLAN 10 we configured, then VLAN 20 we configured. They are up. Now we will assign ports to the VLAN. Coming to S1, here we can see this interface FA0/1 is connected to faculty 1, which is in VLAN 10. So we will assign fast Ethernet 0/1 to VLAN 10. We will go to interface FA0/1, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Then we can see student 1 is connected to FA0/2, which is in VLAN 20. We will go to that interface FA0/2, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. We can verify that configuration using show VLAN brief command. And here we can see these two interfaces. FA0/1 is in VLAN 10, then FA0/2 is in VLAN 20. We will go to S2. Interface FA0/1, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Then interface FA0/2, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. You can verify it, show VLAN brief. We can see FA0/1 is in VLAN 10 and FA0/2 is in VLAN 20. Coming to S3, interface FA0/1, access VLAN 10, interface FA0/2, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20. Copy or run space start. Make sure that you save from RAM to NVRAM. Show VLAN brief. Perfect. Now we know that we created one VLAN named unused. So we will assign all the unused ports to this particular VLAN. So we will do that here. Coming to S1. We will go as a range, interface range FA0/3, because 1 and 2 already we used. 3-24. Also G0/2. We used gigabit 0/1 to connect to our core MLS. So we'll give a switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 100. Also we will shut down these ports. Coming to S2. Configure terminal, interface as a range FA0/3-24, also G0/2, mode access, VLAN 100, shut down it. Coming to S3, configure terminal, interface as a range, FA0/3 till 24, also G0/2, a switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 100, disable it. We can verify show VLAN brief, and we can see all the unused ports are in VLAN 100, and we cannot see any ports in VLAN 1, default to VLAN. In the same way, we can do it on this core MLS. Configure terminal. We'll go to interface FA0/4 because we used 1, 2, and 3 to connect to S1, S2, and S3 till 24. We have to give as a range. We will try to give G0/1-2 also, because in this multilayer switch we have 2 gigabit ports which are not used. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 100, and disable these ports. Shut down. Next, we will assign IPv6 address to these PCs. So first of all, we will assign for VLAN 10, faculty 1 desktop IP configuration, and here we can see IPv6 address. So here we will give 2001:db8:10:2/64. Just I will copy this. Default gateway is FE80:1. Next we will go to faculty 2, paste and edit this to, we will give a 3/64. Then default gateway is FE80:1. Then coming to faculty 3, here it's 4/64 FE80:1. Then we will configure on student. (20:2/64). Default gateway is FE80:2. Coming to student 2, 20:3/64 FE80:2. Then coming to student 3, 20:4/64 FE80:2. Now we will test the connectivity, and if any problem, we need to resolve it. So we will go to faculty 1, command prompt. Here we will ping to, let me paste it here. Okay, let me ping to 10:1. That is a default gateway for VLAN 10. Okay, we get the replies. We can ping to 20:1. Perfect. Now we can ping to each PCs. Now we are in faculty 1. We will ping to faculty 2. That is 20. It's 10, right? 10:2. 2 is we are saying to faculty 1. So we'll give 10:3. Then 10:4. Okay. Now we will ping to student. We'll ping to student 1. That is 20:2. Perfect. Then student 2, 20:3. And finally 20:4. Perfect, it's working. Perfect. So friends, in this video we configured IPv6 intra-VLAN routing using multi-layer switch. Friends, if you have any doubt or any suggestions, please comment below. If you like our video, give a thumb and share with all your friends. And if you don't like, dislike it. And if you need any technical support, you can contact our team. All the details are given in the description below. Stay tuned. We will meet again in the next video.